How to delete Facebook account on phone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and on the bottom part you'll see 6 different options there. Tap on the menu, and what you want to do next is to scroll down up until you see settings and privacy. Tap on that and go to settings. Now here on settings, on the very first option you will see the account center. Tap on account center here, the meta, and then tap under account settings here, you tap on personal details and go to account ownership and control. Now if you tap on that, you will see 2 options. Tap on the activation or deletion. Now choose Facebook since we want to delete our Facebook account, and tap on delete account here. It's either deactivate your account or to delete your account, and tap on continue. Now here, this will actually also delete your Facebook pages here. Tap on continue, and then choose the reason why you want to delete your application. So you tap on I spend too much time on Facebook, or whichever suits you, and tap on continue here, and then just read all about this and tap on continue again. And here you will see here the things that what things will happen once you delete your account permanently, and tap if you agree to this. Tap on continue here again, and then tap on your password. Now once you tap on your password here and tap on continue, your Facebook will automatically be deleted. And basically that's how you delete Facebook account on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.